Lesson 1. The set of notes. The first thing we're going to do is learn the names of the notes in the order in which they appear. The names of the notes are similar to the alphabet from A to G, but with a slight change we start reading them from the letter C. So the order will appear as follows: C, D, E, F, G, A, B. You should also memorize the notes backwards, so you can easily recognize them later on. B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Now let's see where they are located on the keyboard. This is the piano keyboard. The keyboard itself is made of two parts, white keys and black keys. The black keys are divided into groups of 2s and 3s that repeat themselves across the keyboard. The note we will start with, as we said, is C. In order to locate the C note, we will go to a set of 2 black keys, any set of 2 black keys. The white key on the left of the left black key is C. Once we know where the C is, we'll move along the white keys and find the rest of the notes. If it's a C, then the following notes will be D, E, F, G, A, then B. And then once again, we begin a new set of notes beginning with C. As we can see, we've reached a set of 2 black keys again, and found another C note, only with a higher pitch than the last. The ratio between 2 similar notes, but in a different pitch, is called an octave. When you hear things like, this keyboard has 5 octaves, or this keyboard has 6 octaves, they're telling you how many of these C key sets you have on your keyboard. As you can see, we have many C notes in different pitches. One of these C notes is called middle C. Not surprisingly, you'll find middle C at the middle of the keyboard. It doesn't matter whether we have a keyboard of 5 or 7 octaves, we will always split the keyboard in half, and the C that is located between the 2 halves will be middle C. Middle C will come in handy later on for reading music. Different countries use different names for music notes. One way to go is this: Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do. It's good to know these names in addition, but for now we'll stick to the letter names. Now we will practice locating notes on the keyboard. A good way of doing this would be to randomly select a key and then try to figure out its note name by what we have learned. For instance, let's look at this key and try to figure it out. If we know this is a C, we will continue backwards from the note order we have learned, and find that this is an A. If we want to know what note this key is, and we know that this is a C, then this key would be E. This method makes all keys recognizable. We choose whether to use an upwards or backwards order, judging by its distance from the C key.